Nestled beside serene backwaters rather than the open sea, Lagoon Sarovar Premiere Resort, located about 12 kilometers away from Puducherry town, offers a refreshing alternative to typical beachfront stays in Puducherry, Puducherry. The resort is located at Riverview Avenue, INR Covil Street, Puranankuppam, Puducherry. What makes it special? It is located on the lagoon backwaters instead of seashore. Thereby, it provides calm and serene atmosphere and good ambience. It is designed on heritage with modern comfort. It provides activities like jet ski, banana ride, speedboat ride on the backwaters, and relaxation within the resort. Covered with greenery all around, and resort is filled with coconut trees all around and lotus flowers, which provide a refreshing feeling. The lagoon side room have a view of the swimming pool and the river. These rooms are quite spacious with a bathtub. You also get a beautiful view of the pool and backwaters. You can also relax on the pool chairs near the swimming pool. The resort has swings in the play area, providing an avenue to just relax on the swing. The resort rears ducks, which are freely roaming around during the daytime, but are placed in a cage in the evening. They have boating arrangement to take you around in the backwaters at extra cost. There is also a boat house around 900 meters away from the resort. During the boat ride, we saw local fishermen fishing in the backwaters. Early morning sunrise is a golden moment. The entire area turns golden with the trees standing tall. It is a mesmerizing view. The golden rays of the sun can be seen on the river water too. For walking, you can walk inside the resort area on the walking track or outside on the narrow approach road. During the walk on the outside road, you will see trees with hanging bird nests on almost all branches. It is a unique sight. There is a Hanuman temple on the intersection with lovely flowers adorning the roadside. The Paradise Beach is at a distance of 1.7 kilometers from the resort. We set out on a walk along the track and reached the beach. We could see fishermen along the beach, busy with their fishing. When we visited, the fishermen could only catch crabs. One of the fishermen was seen fishing from the shore. Other attractions to be visited from the resort are Auroville, which is about 20 kilometers from the resort, and Rock Beach, about 11 to 12 kilometers from the resort. While traveling through the city, we found a shop called Tea Time at Chetty Street, where the tea was superb. Dining at Lagoon Sarovar is a delightful experience. Their multi-cuisine restaurant serves everything from South Indian favorites to international dishes. About 23 kilometers from Puducherry, there is a restaurant called Hotel Deyu at Kadalore, which offers the best biryani around. If you are looking for a resort, stay in Puducherry that combines nature, backwaters plus lagoon, comfort and family-friendly amenities. Lagoon Sarovar Premiere Resort is a strong choice. It's especially appealing for those who don't mind being a little away from the very center of town in exchange for tranquility. With good facilities, nice rooms, multiple activities, and scenic surroundings, it offers a memorable stay. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden gems around India.